So on the weekly time frame, on the pair NZD card, that has been bearish, that's making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Now on the daily, for NZD card, that's also been bearish, the same thing, making lower lows and lower highs. Now as a trader, you should be trading with the trend. I know everybody says this, but that is what you should be doing. So you should be looking for a place to sell. Now you cannot sell when the market is already down here. Why? Because you have to wait for a pullback. So now we'll look for an area of interest where this market can eventually come up before it continues selling, which is here. So we'll wait for a position around here. Let's see here before we start selling. So what we'll be expecting something like this. So maybe come here, then maybe make a double top, then start selling. Maybe somewhere here I'll enter the trade. Now that is the first for this week NZD card. Now the second is GPP JPY. This too, as you can see, has been a downtrend, so I'll be waiting for it to have a pullback around this area, then I'll be shorting this market. My stop loss will maybe be here, then here. So I'll be waiting for this maybe to move around here, then have a reaction here before I start coming. So then the next one is Euro card. Now let's go to the weekly in Euro card. Euro card it's had this triple top here on the weekly time frame. Now it went up, went down. Now it's having this bearish run on the daily time frame. You can see clearly that it is bearish. This has been bullish from here. Using your trend line, you could tell that this market was bullish before, but now it has broken this and it is coming down. So what we'll be doing, we'll be looking for sales in this market as well. So this is a very, very valid area of interest. Why? Because it has had first touch, second touch here, third touch. So this place is highly respected. So what we'll do now, we'll be waiting for a pullback also. So around this area, if we go over to the 4 hour, it has had a reaction here, but we'll still wait for it to come back up here. Then we'll have a drop to the downside. Then for Euro card, now this market, it has been, let me see, moving up, but as you can see, this market itself is almost ripe because this trend line has been looking so heavy. Let's go to the daily. This has been a downtrend, but has been pulling back to this area. Now it's about to come down. You can see that this market is about to come down. So from the 4 hour time frame, the market has been looking, this trend line has been looking so used up because there are a lot of touches here, so it is definitely heavy. Now this candle has broken past this, so I'm broken past this area. Let me go over to the 1 hour time frame. That's broken past this area of support too on the 1 hour time frame. So I will be entering this market maybe today, Monday, or maybe tomorrow London session. So what I just want to see this market do is, let me go over to the 30 minutes. Okay, it's having, if I see this market actually pulling to this area here, then give me rejections from here, I'm going to take a sell on this trade, euro AUD. Then I would, let me check for I'll take a short position around here. My stop loss would be around here, then my take profits will be around here. So it's going to be like a 1:3 risk to reward. So that is all for euro AUD. This is looking so ripe already. So USD CHF, this from the weekly, this has been an uptrend, and you should always trade with the trend. But you can see on the weekly, it has had so many touches on this area of interest. 1, 2, 3. Now it's at that same level. Now it's at that same level. If you go over to the daily time frame, you can see it's had reactions here. This candle means reaction. Also, if you go over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the amount of reactions is having. This weeks of candles is meaning there are reactions to this candle. Now, since it's a bullish trade, you cannot just sell. But I don't think this market will be exceeding this weekly area of interest. So what I will do now, I'll wait for this to probably come like this, break this support, maybe retest it, then head to the downside. This is what I'll be expecting before I'll take a sell here. I know you might say, oh, this is the bullish trend, but if you want to be honest, I don't think this market would break above this weekly resistance, because this is a very, very respected resistance. From over here, that has been respecting this. It just had reactions, so I don't think it's going to be able to cross this. So I think it's going to actually go down. Now, second to the last, which is GBP card. Also, like the other pairs, this is a bearish trade. Now, what I would be expecting is, see, in a bearish trend, let me just give you the tip. In a bearish trend, the only thing you should be looking for is to sell. So you can, there are places in which you can sell. You cannot just sell anywhere. You cannot sell just like a train moving. You cannot just enter the train when the train is about to reach the junction. You have to wait when it comes back, so before you enter it and you get your destination. So obviously this market is going to pull back to somewhere here. Then when it pulls back here, you look for your entry signals and you enter the trade. Same thing with NZD card, a bearish trend. This is an area of interest here on the 4-hour. Also on the 1 hour, it is also respected, because here this is a very, very big area of interest. So I'll be waiting for this week. So yeah, if you stayed with me to the very end, thank you very much. So I would be consistent here, and maybe I would share my trade. If I eventually take a trade this week, I would show you the trade and I'll show you my outcome.